Hello everyone, I'm so glad to share my paper in this way online. My paper title is Application Exploration of Blockchain Agriculture Product Traceability System. And I divided into 4 parts to share. The section 1 is Introduction, section 2 Contents, section 3 Conclusions, and section 4 is Reference. Let's begin. Section 1 Introduction. 1.1 The Theory and Development of Blockchain Technology. Blockchain is a new application mode of computer technology, such as distributed data storage, point-to-point transmission, consensus mechanism, and encryption algorithm. Blockchain technology uses a distributed collective operation method and a distributed peer-to-peer network without a central control point to construct a P2P self-organized network. As we can see, figure 1 is block theory like a maker tree. After more than 10 years of development, blockchain technology has been well known by more and more people as the key technology of the next generation of Internet. Blockchain has always been the key nail target of governments and giant enterprises. After 10 years of development, blockchain technology has achieved varying degrees of application in various fields, such as finance, government affairs, medical care, and industry manufacturing in the global field, and the society's understanding of the value of applicable scenarios of the blockchain has been continuously improved. 1.2 The development and application trend of blockchain. The blockchain-based agriculture product traceability system is the latest development stage of the traditional agriculture product traceability system in the current technological area. It uses blockchain technology to realize distributed accounting, create basic services such as identity recognition and credit management, and from the cultivation, picking, and the whole processes of packaging, transportation, sales, etc., realize business re-engineering. As we can see the figure 2 comparison chart of agriculture product traceability system. The left picture is the traditional agricultural product traceability system, and the right picture is agriculture product traceability system based on blockchain. Section 2 Contents. 2.1 Problems in the traceability of traditional agricultural products. Specifically, the current agriculture product traceability system mainly has the following problems: the asymmetry of information among the participating entities leads to unbalanced production and sales. The entire agriculture product industry chain is long and complex, and various types of information are scattered and stored in different links. They usually use their own subjective view based on production and procurement, resulting in an imbalance between production, supply, and marketing. The armistry of information among the participating entities has resulted in efficient operation of the entire agricultural product chain. The entire agricultural product chain has many links and many participants. The participants are carrying out complex multi-stream cooperation. However, due to the information arbitrary among participating entities, the business flow, information flow, logistics, and capital flow generated by each other cannot be realized. In real life, the proportion of consumers who scan code to verify products is not high, and consumers do not have a high degree of trust in traceability information. This is due to the lack of credibility in traditional traceability. In other words, most traceability systems in China are centralized systems established by companies to increase user trust. But there are too many possibilities in this system to be tampered with by individuals or companies themselves. The problem for traceability is applied in various industries, but because of different industries, the supply chain management is also different, so that there is no unified standard in the traceability process. At the same time, different traceability management systems are used in various regions, resulting in the inability to interact with the data between the systems and become an isolated island of information, resulting in waste of resources. The problem 5. Centralized information storage. Low cost of fraud in the information storage of the current traceability system often use a single database for centralized storage, which causes the fraudulent party to tamper with the database, thereby achieving the purpose of increasing and reducing the fraudulent products. The problem 6. Multi-point information recording and reconciliation efficiency is low in the current traceability system. When goods are transferred from one point to another, both parties have their own information records. These information records need to reconcile separate input and other operations. When traceability information appears arbitrary, a lot of manual traceability is required, which traceability information is no efficiency. Problem 7. The traceable barcode is reproducible in the current traceability system. Most of the two-dimensional codes, barcodes, and so on are used for one object, one code. (2.2) The relationship between blockchain technology and agriculture development. At this stage, the overall development of my country's agriculture has become a slow development trend. My country's agriculture is still in a relatively backward and crude economic model, and the level of information and modelization is still in its infancy. It is necessary to introduce more advanced technologies to improve the level of agriculture intelligence. Therefore, in the development of the agriculture economy modern technology and network, technology will surely be boosted from the perspective of blockchain technology. There are several points that can be injected to provide fresh blood to the agriculture economy. First of all, of course, control from the source improves the quality of crops, improves the quality of products, use blockchain technology to use distributed node consensus algorithms to generate and update data. Record the data records of crop products from planting to growth and improve the growth data. Use data sharing to analyze, transmit, share data, and improve crop yields and crop varieties according to local conditions. Regarding the issue of crop safety, we helped people to eat at ease based on blockchain technology. The agricultural products and our technology transmission equipment, soil analysis, water quality analysis, and these data are automatically transmitted to the chain and uploaded to the blockchain. This is an application process. Blockchain can not only reduce transaction costs, but more importantly, it can re-energize the agriculture industry. 2.3 Application analysis of blockchain agriculture product traceability system. Because the agriculture product traceability system has the characteristics of many participating roles, various types of data, and huge amount of data, the overall architecture of the system adopts distributed storage technology and computing technology according to the characteristics of the blockchain, and deploys node servers and distribute databases at each node. In order to ensure the authenticity and uniqueness of information business systems and terminal devices, obtain data through various distributed nodes. In order to ensure that user information in the system cannot be tampered with, different identities have different permissions and high security, the system uses aligned chain technology. Use Node.js and Fabric open source consortium chain platform for development. As we can see the figure 3, blockchain agriculture product traceability system framework diagram. There are many different roles put the data to distribute databases, and this is safety, and this is trust. In the processes of harvesting products, the planting company records the product name, harvest date, harvested field, and harvester information on a human-readable label and attached to the loading container or field. Harvesting box provide detailed information about the bulk products actually transported by each vehicle as additional information to trading partners. At present, the responsible party node initiates and a transaction request and signs the smart contract embedded in the blockchain with the private key. The system records the transaction operation and automatically authorizes the receiving product party after the transaction is completed, and the agriculture product processing plant becomes a new authorized role is responsible for following up the product and maintaining product information documents. The parent is equipped with a human-readable card companion attached to it. The receipt generally indicates the logistics identification code, the product name, and variety name of the accepted product, the information of the planting company, the quantity, the date, and the track information. Logistics link The main role is the logistics company, relying on the metro location tracking technology of the logistics company to provide accurate geographic location information for the products. The logistics company needs to supplement the transportation method, transportation environment, and receiving place information in the product information file. Sales link. The main role is the sales company. The product may go through multiple distribution links before finally reaching the retail link. And therefore, the sales company must be clear about the source of the product and write it into the product information file. At the same time, sales companies should also supplement the time and price of products sold to ensure the integrity of product documentation and to ensure the time certainty of information items in the blockchain system. Traceability link. The main role is the consumer. When consumers purchase a product, they can access the product information document through the barcode, QR code, or RFID on the product package to learn the necessary information. Section 3. Conclusions. The retail 1. The resource can be checked. All production raw material information is collected, recorded, and tracked, realizing the full life cycle management of product supply links, production links, sales links, and service links. Whereabouts can be traced. One item, one code. The whole processes of tracking the product circulation processes. Once the product has quality problems, it can be quickly and accurately recorded. Responsibility can be investigated. One thing, one code. When the product has a problem, you can accurately find out which link is the problem, who is the responsible person. It is clear and organized. Once the product presents a problem through the product traceability system, you can accurately find out which link is at fault, who is obligor, and whether the product is a warehouse or on the shelf. It can be tracked quickly and accurately, recall and deal with problem products. Information visualization and big data management. Obtain big data on product marketing and provided the foundation for business operations after collecting and generating enterprise, consumption, circulation, terminal, and consumer data. Stop in-depth exploration and analysis of various dimensions so that it can generate new application value, which is helpful to adjustment to optimization of consumption and marketing decisions. And the traceability system is very important for the quality and safety management of industrial products. This is the latest line of defense to reduce the quality of safety of marketing. Traceability is to trace to the root cause, the immutability of information nodes, and the decentralized storage of data ensure that authenticity, stability, and reliability of product. Traceability using blockchain technology, the ability can truly enhance the trust of products, establish a bridge of trust between enterprises and consumers, and at the same time help companies that consume high-quality products to enhance their brand. Section 4, Reference. And we read and referred many another papers. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you so much.